we had the visit of Mamata Banerjee. She came here to pay respects to St. Francis Xavier. She is familiar with most of the Christian colleges, even St. Xavier's there. So it was nice that she knew many things. So when I told her, she was quite aware of it. She also said that it was a great experience for her to be here and to receive the blessings also of St. Francis Xavier.